Making an espresso martini in Europe is not as hard as it sounds. It doesn't even sound hard unless you're an American bartender, which I am, and it did to me. But making one when you have an espresso machine, I'm gonna show you. The first things I'm gonna do, if they ask me for an espresso martini, I'm gonna be like, yeah, okay, boom. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna grab a coupe. Bam. I'm gonna set that down, boom. I'm gonna grab a shaker, set that down, boom. First thing, have the setup. So I got the shaker and the glass over there. Boom, I grab my, I don't even actually know what this is still called yet, but the thing that the espresso, whatever. Okay, look, you grab this, come over here, right? You got double on this side, single on this side. Right in there. Boom. You take this other thing too. I can make it, I don't know the terminology for everything, all right? Take that here. There we go. Boom. Put this in here. Grab this from up here. Push single. That's under there. Now, while that's going, we'll come over here. We grab vodka. We grab Kahlua. We're gonna do 3 centiliters each. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Put those back. Oh, the espresso is done. Grab that now. All right, let me put this over here. Put that in there. Boom. Set that back over there. Right? Now, ice it up. Boom. But it's cold. This is why you have your own stuff here. And now, garnish. What's the garnish? Today, 3 coffee beans, which are here. We're gonna say one's for money, one's for love, and one is for health. If you don't get all 3, then that means the bartender took one from you, so you gotta get all 3. Look at that. How quick was that? That was super quick, right? Ain't nothing hard about it. It's just when it first happens, it's very intimidating. Look at that. Look at that finished product. Now, I know some of you may say, well, probably not Europeans, but Americans out there might say, you didn't put sugar in it. Should there be sugar in it? But hey, listen here. Europe takes coffee very seriously. No sugar in there at all. It is vodka, it is espresso fresh, and it is Kahlua. That's all you need, and that's all they want because they like the taste of coffee in Europe. And whatever. So anyway, look at that. There we go. Booyah.